The sweeper knew that it was very difficult for him to pass the high school in 6 months. So he had no other option but to resign. Many years ago, there lived a man who had not received any formal education and worked as a cleaner in a London church. According to rules, at least a high school education was required in order to work in that church. But the pastor of the church was very kind, so he let the man work as a cleaner. When the old pastor retired, he was replaced by a younger man who strictly followed the rules. As soon as he came to know about the education of the sweeper, he issued a notice that either he should get a high school certificate in 6 months or else he would have to resign. The sweeper knew that it was very difficult for him to pass the high school in 6 months. So he had no other option but to resign. He was very sad and was walking in deep thought and reached a street that was known as Bond Street. Suddenly he felt the urge to smoke, but he could not find even a single cigarette shop in the entire street. Then he realized that a small cigarette shop in that street could prove to be a good business. He resigned from the church and started a small shop on Bond Street, and that was very successful. A few days later, he noticed that several customers were coming from the other side of the street. So he started another shop on that side of the street. In 3 years, 2 shops became 4 and then 16. His company soon became a leading tobacco company in England. After some time, he started machine rolling of cigarettes and his own brand. Within 5 years, he became a millionaire. To ensure the regular supply of tobacco, he made agreements with some American tobacco farmers and went to meet them. It was a big moment for American tobacco farmers. The contract signing ceremony turned into a big media event in which many senators and governors were also present. When the contracts were signed, he made a thumb impression as he did not know how to sign. Observing this, the governor was very impressed and said, "Sir, this is amazing. Even without a formal education, you have achieved so much. Just imagine what would you have been doing had you received a good education." Then our hero replied, "If I were educated, I would still clean the church." Many times in our lives, challenging circumstances arise from nowhere, and in their face, often we lose hope. But in the most challenging circumstances lie the biggest opportunities. As Napoleon Hill said, opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. By identifying and using those opportunities, we can fathom the highest peaks of success. We only need to take one step at a time and not worry about the whole path. This is similar to our journey from one city to another on a dark night. The light of our car only shows the path of 100 to 200 meters. When we complete the first stretch, the next 100 to 200 meters of the way is cleared, and we keep going till we arrive at the next city.